Welcome to Chisholm Trail 61. Today we're doing a recipe, a casserole that you probably got everything in your pantry for it. Hey, we're going to do a tuna noodle casserole. And I'm going to show you how I do that coming up right now. Okay, first thing you're going to need for your tuna noodle casserole, in the skillet here we got one medium onion and about a tablespoon and a half of butter. We just sauteing our onion. We've been sauteing it 2 or 3 minutes. I didn't show the whole process on camera because I didn't want to make y'all sit here and watch me saute an onion 3 or 4 minutes when I'm sure out there everybody knows how to saute an onion. Just put it on the skillet, in butter and let it go 3 or 4 minutes. But it's starting to turn translucent there now. So what we want to do, we got some minced garlic here. We're going to put this in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. We're going to put in 3 tablespoons of butter. And I've got 3 tablespoons of flour. We're going to put that in. We're just going to stir that around real good here. Get that all mixed up good. We just want to cook this down for a couple of minutes here. Here I got 2 cups of chicken broth. We're going to put that in there. And we got 1 cup of just whole milk. We're going to put that in there. We're going to turn the burner up just a little bit it's on medium. We're going to turn it up about medium high there. And we're going to stir this in real good. This will probably take 3 or 4 minutes here to get mixed up real well and start thickening. But you can see where we're at here. Just going to let this here sort of thicken here. Just want it to heat up and start sort of making a thicker sauce. This is going to be our sauce for our casserole here. I know it's runny now, but like I was saying a while ago about the flour, once it goes to heating up good, it'll go to thickening. You just want to be sure you're stirring during this process here, though. You don't really want to leave it alone too long here while this is going on, because it'll thicken in a hurry on you if you're not careful. So we're going to continue to do this. Like I said, this will take about another 3 or 4 minutes probably. We're going to continue to stir this, and then whenever we get our sauce thickened, we'll move over to the island there and we'll see y'all over there. We'll put this thing, finish putting it together over the island. Okay, well, we moved everything over the island here. We got our sauce thickened, and you can see how it sort of thickened up there. Thickened up some. Now you don't want it real thick, but it's thick about like gravy for gravy and biscuits. Everybody knows what gravy and biscuits is. So, you want it about as thick as gravy and biscuit. What we're going to do, we're going to add probably I'd say about a teaspoon of salt. Set that out of the way. We're going to add probably about a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of pepper. We're going to set that over out the way. And we're going to just stir that in. That out the way. And here I got 3 cans of tuna that I've drained. Now you can use 2 or 3 cans. We like tuna, so I'm putting 3 cans in mine. Now you can use just 2 if you want. 2 will be fine. It'll work out just fine. And here I've got 2 cups of mixed vegetables. That's frozen mixed vegetables. I'm just going to put them in there. And I'm going to give that a stir. Stir all that up good. You can see what it's starting to look like and how thick it's getting there. Man, does that look good or what? Coming together good. Now I'm going to grab my noodles and I'll be back just as soon as I grab my noodles. Okay, here I got 12 ounces of egg noodles. I cooked them just like this package says to cook them. And I'm just going to add them in. Just carefully because I don't want to spread that out. Like I said, I cooked my noodles per the package instructions. That's 12 ounces of egg noodles. I'm going to set that over there out of the way. I'm going to get this little bit bigger spoon now and stir this around. I want to get our noodles coated good. Yeah, she's starting to come together good there now. Man, is that starting to look good or what? My mouth's watering. It's about supper time here. Let me know in the comments if you've ever eaten tuna noodle casserole. And if you like tuna or not. A lot of people like tuna, a lot of people don't. You know, but I guarantee you, you'll like this recipe here. If you like tuna, you'll love the recipe. If you don't like tuna, you're still going to love the recipe. Here we got some cheddar cheese. We're going to add us probably, I don't know, about a good handful, probably about a cup almost of cheddar cheese to our mixture. We're going to mix that in real good. Man, what you talking about? What you talking about? Just look at that. Okay, we're going to set all this over out the way. We're going to pull us a 9 by 13 casserole dish over here. And what we're going to do, we're going to take our tuna. Uh-oh, drop the spoon. That's all right. I got another laying right here. We're going to take our tuna noodle casserole mixture here. And we're just going to empty it over into our 9 by 13 casserole dish. Now, I did spray my 9 by 13 casserole dish. Yeah, I got to pick that spoon up there. Hey, but it's just a mess, you know. I mean, it happens. This is real cooking. Like I said, I don't have no crew to come in and clean or do anything like that for me. I just gotta do what I can do. So let me get this turned up there where I can get all that juice and stuff out of there. Set that over there. I'm going to get my spoon up there and I'll be right back. Okay, we got our spoon up out of the floor and stuff. We're going to just spread our casserole around here. Sort of even it up some in our bowl here. I couldn't get up to where I could reach my casserole good because my spoon was laying right under my feet or I wouldn't even stopped. I would have waited till I got done with my video and then I got an oven. Then I would have done that. But I couldn't get up here where I could really do what I needed to do. Like I said, we just want to spread this around, sort of get it even there, you know, just even it out some. Because I want it to cook evenly. What we're going to do now, we're going to take some more of this cheddar cheese. We're just going to put us a good layer right on top. Probably, I don't know, probably another 3/4 of a cup of cheese. We're probably using about a cup and a half total of cheddar cheese here. We're just going to sort of spread that around just a little bit there. And then in the little bowl here, we're going to slide this over in the little bowl here. We're going to dump 1 cup of Italian breadcrumbs. And I got 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Just gonna put that in there. We're just gonna mix that up real good there. Just stir that around real good. It won't get real wet, but it'll get, crumbly like. And that's what we want is crumb. We're not trying to fix it like a pie crust. We just want it crumbly like. And you can see what I'm talking about. It'll get crumbly like. You can sort of tell what it's like there. Set that over there out of the way. Pull my casserole dish back over here where y'all can see what's going on. And we're just going to sprinkle this right on top of our casserole dish there. Again, that's 1 cup of Italian breadcrumbs and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And this is what's going to give our casserole that little bit of a crunchy crust on top. It makes a world of difference, believe me. Like I said, you may not like tuna, but if you'll give this recipe a shot, it'll change your mind. And if you like tuna, you got tuna in your pantry there, and you get tired of the same old thing, eating tuna sandwiches out of tuna all the time. This is an excellent recipe to do something different with it. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put this bad boy in the oven here, and we're going to, at 350 degrees, we got our oven preheated over at 350 degrees. We're going to put it in the oven 350 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. We check it at 20 minutes, start watching it. We want the crust to get sort of brownish on top, and brown, just get brown on top of the breadcrumbs to get cooked and brown. And then at that point we'll take it out and we'll let it set about 15 to 20 minutes, and we'll bring it back and we're going to cut into this bad boy. Okay, we got our tuna noodle casserole out of the oven there, and it's been setting about 20 or 25 minutes. We're going to dip us out a little bit of it here, and we're going to get us a taste. Man, look at that. Does that ever look good or what? I tell you what, man, if y'all could smell that. That is delicious smell. Got your noodles, your vegetables, your cheese. The topping on it's just got that little bit of crunch to it. Man, I tell you what, it's time to eat. Give it just a little bit of a blow there. And that is some good eating right there. Hey, I'm ready to eat supper now. Hey, if you would, give the old video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate all of you do. Appreciate all of you take time every day to watch our videos. Tuna noodle casserole. We'll see you on the next one.